Here in Beaufort County School District, we are fortunate to be able to offer choice, and for May River High School, Bluffton High, and Battery Creek High School, that choice is Acceleration Academy. The idea behind Acceleration Academy is students have the option to choose courses specific to career and technology that get them a leg up on their future.
May River offers so many hands-on type classes. So if there's possibly an interest in automotive or something outside your maybe 4-year college career, this gives kids a chance to see if it's something they like, if it's a skill that they excel in, and then go out into the world with actual skills that they can use in a job.
Here at Bluffton High School, we do have the opportunity of Project Lead the Way of biomedical science. We have also the media technology, the family and consumer science, and we also have the firefighter, the public safety.
Start off with the radio check. Public safety, we focus on an introduction to firefighting and law, and we have different people from throughout the community, like our school SRO officer, firefighters, EMTs, emergency medical technicians, and paramedics, and different agencies come in and speak to the kids on their profession.
I took this program because it can further help me in my career and become a paramedic. And instead of just going out into the real world and then having to go to college, I could get my certification here, become CPR certified, so I already have a step up and a boost.
When I ask students what they've heard about media technology, they say, is this the movie class? And that's true, it is a fun class. We watch and analyze films and we make our own films. But one of my main goals is to teach them marketable skills so that they can gain employment upon graduation. So I try to do research outside of the school and learn about industry standards so that I can teach things in the class that are relevant to what the industry is looking for.
Through the skills that I learned at media technology class, I was able to take those and go and make videos for Bluffton Self-Help over the summer, where I filmed their facilities and actually did fundraising things for them to get investors for their renovation processes.
When students sign up for Family Consumer Science courses, they have a variety of courses they can take, such as Foods 1, Foods 2, Early Childhood Education 1, Early Childhood Education 2, Family Consumer Science 1, and Family Consumer Science 2. The courses focus on life skills such as cooking, sewing, budgeting, childcare, and interpersonal relationships. Our food students have the opportunity to take the National Serve Safe Employee Exam, which helps qualify them to work in the hospitality industry.
Here at May River High School, through Acceleration Academy, we offer cybersecurity, nursing, law enforcement, welding, and automotive.
When our students graduate, if they take Health Science 1 through 4, they graduate as a certified nursing assistant. So they can leave directly out of high school and get them a job as a certified nursing assistant.
I plan on getting my bachelor's in science of nursing, and then after that I'll get my RN and I'll become a nurse. Not sure what I want to do exactly, but I'll continue my education after that.
Well, welding has really taught me, above all things, patience, because if you put a weld that's not your best down, you can fix it, you can grind it out, but it takes forever to do. And just overall forgiveness and just, it'll be okay. It's just a bad weld. You'll fix it. Go again and try another day. So perseverance overall.
My son loves welding, the creating part of it. The automotive, he's actually learning how to do different things with his truck. Important that he'll take these skills all throughout his life. And then he's very interested because he's going through the Project Lead the Way program. So things that he's learning in both those classes, he's going to be able to apply to his intended career of engineering.
I truly believe that in a community that we have, the students need to have CAPE programs to be hands-on with the local businesses.
Once you are here as a choice student, we have the opportunity of the AP Capstone diploma and certificate pathway. We also have a partnership with USCB where our students can go to USCB and take classes on their campus, as well as USCB sends a professor here onto our campus so students can take classes.
So for May River, our vision is be responsible, be supportive, and be present. And I think that all of these offerings very much lend themselves to our vision as a school. Provides opportunities for students to connect to our school academically in a specialized area that Whether it's going to be your career choice or you are just going to be very good at doing that area, it's going to support you through the rest of your life.